Number 5 is AnkerMake M5C 3D printer. Embark on a mesmerizing journey of creativity with the AnkerMake M5C, your ultimate gateway to the colorful realm of multicolor 3D printing. Unleash your wildest imaginations as this printer dances to the rhythm of PowerBoost 2.0 technology, soaring at supersonic speeds of up to 500 mm per second while painting your dreams with a breathtaking precision of 0.1 mm. Craft your artistry from anywhere with the enchanting symphony of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Our AnkerMake app transforms your mobile device into a maestro, letting you conduct the symphony of creation from the palm of your hand. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned virtuoso, this user-friendly masterpiece ensures everyone finds their rhythm effortlessly. Glide into the world of hassle-free enchantment with 49-point automatic bed leveling, a magnetic plate that's as friendly as a hug, and the guardian angels of power and filament outage recovery. Swift setup and divine printing experiences await, especially for starry-eyed beginners. Dive deeper into the heart of quality with the all-metal hotend that dares to touch the sky at 300 degrees Celsius, promising durability beyond time's reach. So if you want to buy the fast and reliable 3D printer, check out the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for multicolor printing. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching! And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our sublimation focused channel for more amazing upcoming videos.